Okay, sometimes when you're playing guitar, your fingers start to hurt, and I do want you to develop calluses, like you get this finger skin up here gets kind of dead, and it just kind of doesn't. But sometimes you'll see in some of the videos too, my fingers get a little cut up because I play sometimes 10 hours a day, which I don't expect you to do that, but I play a lot. So what I do is I get this stuff, and I'm not recommending this. I'm not a doctor, so check with your mom or anybody before you get this stuff, because you know I'm just a guitar player. So I get this stuff, and it's called liquid Band-Aid. And it really helps when I put it on the tips of my fingers. Sometimes if they get sore, sometimes I use this liquid Band-Aid sometimes because I get little cuts in my cuticles or on the tip of your fingers get sore. And I just take a little bit of this and I just put it like on my thumb gets a little sore here. And I just put some of that on there. And if you're younger, just have your mom get this if it's really hurting, because it will help deaden the pain, so that you can keep playing. Because the most important thing is the longer you can play, you know, within reason, the better you're going to get. Okay, so now we've done the E and the A chord, which is a lot of fun. I'm going to show you ways as we go along to make that even more fun. The next chords we're going to learn the G, G major 7, and G7. Put your first finger on the first fret of the thin E or first string, second finger on the second fret of the thin E or first string, third finger on the third fret. And remember, we play on the very tips of the fingers. We're not playing like this. We don't play on the side. So if you find your fingers, sometimes they'll flop over, just bring them back up like that on the very tips. And then we're going to strum down from the D or fourth string. And you got to be able to hear that string clearly, the thin E, because the open ones are easy. Open means we're not having our fingers on the D or fourth, G or third, B or second, or thin E. And you just want that. You got to hear that last string. So you're going to strum down 4 times back here, like this. And you want to lay the pick and just let it drag across strings. Don't go like this. Don't hop. People kind of hop on the strings. Just if you find yourself doing that, just let it like lay and go like that on the strings. And that's the first chord. That's a G major chord. Just strum that till you get that. Kind of used to that a little bit. Okay, so you'll be strumming that. I'm going to bring this over here so you can just kind of see it. And then you're going to lift only your third finger of your left hand, this hand, and you're going to strum the same 4 strings, D, G, B, E. Then you're going to lift your second finger and strum the same 4 strings. And then back to your second finger. And that's the 3 chords are called G, G major 7, G7. The other thing is the open strings are louder because the thinner string, like the E, it's just not as loud. So you have to make sure that you don't pick it that hard so you can hear this one, the first string. You want it to sound like this. You want to pick that first one a little bit harder than the others. And back to that. Let me get close up on that. So I'm a little bit close up. You're going to be going like this. Strum is like this. and it just kind of lays across the strings. And then you're going to lift only your third finger and do the same thing over here, starting from the D or fourth string, or third from the ceiling. Then you're going to lift only your second finger and then strum from the fourth string. Then go back to your second finger. One, two, three, four. Lift your third finger. Lift your second. Put your second back. Your first. Back to second.